Hello students, last lecture we have started with the point algorithms. We have seen some examples of algorithms where we have solved some arithmetic operations. We have seen the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. There is one more arithmetic operation which is known as the modulus. Now here is a given example. 5 divided by 2, we will get the answer 2. It is also known as the quotient, and the remainder will be 1. In C, C++ or any programming language, we will be having two arithmetic operations for division. In algorithms, we are going to represent it by saying div or by saying mod. So first, when we give 5 div 2, the answer will be 2, that is we will get the quotient. When we give 5 mod 2, we will get one answer, that is the remainder. So now remember that in C or any programming languages, there will be arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So we are going to use these two new more arithmetic operations in the given next examples for algorithm. So we'll take the first algorithm. Write an algorithm to convert given seconds to hours, minutes and seconds. So in this question we are going to input number of seconds. Okay, so the first step will be start. Side by side I have also shown you an example how this algorithm will work. Second step, read seconds. So suppose we take seconds, that is SEC, as 4765. So we are going to convert this 4765 into hours, minutes and seconds. We all know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and each minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour will be equal to 3600 seconds. Next, step 3, we have to take how many hours. So hours is equal to seconds divided by 3600. So here you can see that hours is equal to 4765 divided by 3600. So we have used the div operator, therefore the answer for hours is equal to 1. So 4765 seconds means 1 hour and some seconds. Now in the next step we are going to calculate how many seconds are remaining when we remove 1 hour from 4765 seconds. To see that, we are going to use the operation mod. So seconds is equal to seconds mod 3600. That is, seconds is equal to the given example 4765 modulus 3600, that is the remaining seconds are 1165. Next step, now we have separated hours, we have to calculate the minutes. Minutes is equal to seconds divided by 60. So in the given example, we have calculated the remaining seconds 1165. This 1165 is divided by 60, that is 19 minutes. Okay. Now we have got 1 hour 19 minutes. Now we have to take the remaining seconds. For that again we are going to use the same arithmetic operation, that is mod. Seconds is equal to seconds mod 60. So in the given example we have found out that the remaining seconds are 1165. So 1165 mod 60, that is remaining 25 seconds. Now we have separated hours, seconds and minutes and seconds. 4765 seconds means 1 hour 19 minutes and 25 seconds. You can check this by using a calculator, or you can work out this same algorithm for some other number of seconds. Once we have now found out hours, minutes and seconds, we now have to print it. So the next step, step 7, print hours, 1 will get printed. Step 8, print minutes, 19 will get printed. Step 9, print seconds, 25 will be printed. And last step, stop. So I hope you have understood the logic of how to convert the given seconds to hours, minutes and seconds. Use this same algorithms for some other example, work it out, and then the logic of this algorithm will be clear. So till now here we have seen all the sequential algorithms, that is all these steps are run or executed one by one in a sequence. Remember that algorithm are designing tools, and they are used they are drawn or written by using paper and pen or on a computer, not on TC. That is, we are not going to write the algorithms on Turbo C compiler. It is a designing tool, it is not used for coding. Next we'll move on to some different types of algorithms which are known as branching algorithms. That is, not all the steps will be executed in sequence. Depending on one particular decision, either we are going to go in one way or we are going to go on another way. So here is an example. Develop an algorithm to check if a given number is positive or negative. So first step, start. Second step, read any number n. So suppose we take n as any number, we store it as, for example, 5. Now see how we are going to use the branching algorithms a little different. Step 3, check if n is greater than 0. How are we going to check if a given number is positive or negative? A number is positive when it is greater than 0 and it is negative when it is less than 0. So if we want to find out if the given number is positive or negative, we are going to use this condition, check if n is greater than 0. So if condition will always have two values, yes or no. So yes or no. If yes, we are going to go to step number 4. If no, we are going to step number 6. So what is step number 4? Check if given number is positive, that is if n is greater than 0. We have taken the example 5. Is 5 is greater than 0? Yes. Go to step number 4. So directly we will come to step number 4. Print n is positive. That is 5 is a positive number. Now suppose if we take another example, suppose n is equal to minus 2. Check if minus 2 is greater than 0. No. Then what we have to do? No. Go to step number 6. So we have put one more step over here and step number 6. So if minus 2 is not greater than 0, no. Go to step number 6. Print n is negative will get printed. And last step, stop. Now here you can see that I have put step number 5 in between. So if n is greater than 0 is yes, and I don't put this step number 5, both these statements will be printed. Print n is positive, next step print n is negative, and then stop. So whenever we are going to use the branching algorithms, we are going to use a conditional statement. First thing, this conditional statement will have two options, either yes or no. If the answer is yes, we are going to one step. If the answer is no, we are going to another step. So in this type of algorithm, both step number 4 and step number 6 will not get executed. Only step number 4 or step number 6 will get executed. So I hope you have understood what are these branching algorithms. Okay, thank you.